Ingredients for making tahu goreng, also known as tofu salad with peanut sauce. So there are two parts in this recipe. One is to make the peanut sauce, another one is the salad itself. So what goes in making the salad? You need 1 piece of firm tofu or bean curd, about 200 grams, a quarter cucumber, 1 cup of bean sprout, a quarter cup of cooking oil, I'm using sunflower oil, 1 cup of hot water, which we're going to use to blanch the bean sprout, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Now, making of the peanut sauce, you will need 1 cup of pounded roasted peanuts, a quarter cup of water, 2 garlic cloves, 1 green chili, 2 red chili, about a tablespoon of palm sugar or coconut sugar, 1 teaspoon of regular sugar. This is dark soy sauce, which is 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of vinegar.